Jonah!
Hope. Hope!
Hey! You okay? Okay, I'm gonna go get some help.
Don't leave!
No, I'll be right back. Drink.
I thought I was dying.
You've had a panic attack. Did something upset you or make you anxious?
Yeah, kind of.
Want to talk about it? We can, doctor-patient confidentiality. Well, panic attacks can be very scary, but the symptoms are temporary. Remember that if it happens again.
It's going to happen again?
It might. I treat kids younger than you who have them every day.
I can't go through that every day.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to suggest you would. Let me get Cyrus, he can translate for me.
No! Don't get Cyrus, I don't want him to know about this. Or Andy or Buffy.
Your friends aren't going to think any differently about you.
Yeah, they will. I think differently about me. A little stressed out or nervous.
Sometimes those feelings can happen very suddenly and come on really strong.
Help! Panic attacks can be scary. It's okay to be scared. The most important thing to know is that help is out there, and the symptoms won't last forever.
Find an adult that you trust that can help out right away.
And when you're feeling better,
talk to them about getting some support.
Your friends aren't going to think any differently about you. They can help you if you let them.
No matter how your feelings show up, they're real. Panic attacks are not something you need to hide.
If you or a friend are having trouble with anxiety or having panic attacks,
or even if you're just not feeling like yourself,
talk to an adult that you can trust.
Nothing is more important than taking care of your health and yourself. Make sure you spend time with your family and friends and try to get enough sleep. Eat right. Get exercise too. Pay attention to the good things. Just remember, you don't have to face this alone. Help is always out there.